I'm sure only 15% will guess all 10 animals correctly. Identify these animals in just 3 seconds. First one. Wolf, second one. Tiger, third one. Elephant. If you got the first 3 right, like the video and share it with friends. Fourth one. Giraffe, fifth one. Kangaroo, sixth one. Panda. Did you know that pandas are known for their distinctive black and white markings? Seventh one. Chimpanzee, eighth one. Koala, ninth one. Ostrich. Only a few of you know the last one. 10th one. Hippopotamus. Comment your score and follow us for more.